Which way should I run my hardwood flooring? In residential construction, flooring direction plays a major role in both structural stability and visual appeal. Whether you're installing hardwood, laminate, or engineering flooring, the way you orient the boards can impact the overall design, feel, and durability of the space. So, how do you decide which direction is the best? Should you follow the length of the room, align with natural light, or run it perpendicular to the floor joists? Let's break this down. The golden rule: run perpendicular to the joists. The most structurally sound way to install hardwood flooring is perpendicular to the floor joists. Floor joists support the subfloor, and running hardwood parallel to them can cause sagging or uneven surfaces over time. Running the planks perpendicular provides better weight distribution and reduces movement, especially if the subfloor is plywood or OSB. If you must run parallel, consider installing an additional layer of plywood to reinforce the subfloor. But structure isn't the only factor. Aesthetics and room layout also matter. Another major factor is how the flooring interacts with the space. In a narrow room or hallway, boards should typically run lengthwise to make the space feel larger and more continuous. In open floor plans, running boards in a consistent direction throughout the house creates a seamless look rather than dividing up the space. If you have a long rectangular room, installing planks parallel to the longest wall can create a more expansive appearance. But shape isn't everything. Let's talk about light and sight lines. If your home has large windows or a strong light source, running boards towards the light can make imperfections like seams or joints less noticeable. Flooring running parallel to natural light enhances the depth and texture of wood grain, while preventing visible shadows between planks. If you have multiple light sources in different areas, prioritize main windows or entryways for alignment. Transitions and adjoining rooms. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is not considering the transitions between rooms. If flooring is installed in different directions across spaces, it can create an awkward break that disrupts the flow of your home. Running flooring consistently across multiple rooms creates a unified look. If changing directions is necessary, such as when transitioning from a hallway into a large room, consider using a transition strip or a herringbone pattern to make the shift feel intentional. Here are some special considerations. Stairs and entryways. If your home includes stairs or a foyer, flooring direction matters even more. For staircases, flooring should match the direction of the stair treads to maintain continuity. If your home has a main entrance with hardwood flooring, running planks towards the doorway creates a welcoming visual effect and leads guests into the home. So here's the verdict. What's best for your home? After considering joist direction, room flow, lighting, transitions, and stairs, how do you make the final call? 1. If structure is your priority, run perpendicular to the joists. 2. If visual flow is key, align with the longest room dimension. 3. If aesthetics matter most, follow natural light for best grain visibility. 4. If you have an open floor plan, keep flooring consistent throughout the space. 5. If you have a hallway plus adjoining rooms, match hallway direction, adjusting where necessary. In most cases, a combination of these factors will determine the best layout for your space. So, choosing the right flooring direction isn't just about the looks, it impacts durability, comfort, and long-term performance. Whether you're installing new floors or renovating an existing space, planning the layout carefully ensures the best results. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow Concept Design for more expert home building insights. And as always, dream big, design smart.